Hi, civil service aspirants. It is an exciting moment for all of Edufy team, our faculty members, and our staff who really worked hard for our student, especially the aspirants who are sitting tomorrow in NPSC preliminary exam. I wish you all the very luck and best of wishes from all our team, those who are appearing in this exam. Now, I want you guys to take a small journey of Edufy team who has hard worked a lot, prepared a lot, our team faculty members who actually tirelessly worked for every aspirant through media and social media channels.
Hi guys, welcome to Edufy. Finally, your D-Day has arrived. Tomorrow is your NPSC Prelims examination. So all the best from our side, from our team of Edufy. We have put all the efforts in the preparation as well as it's your time to stay calm and give your best. So stay calm, stay focused and stay confident.
13 December 2025 NPSC Prelims. Guys, if you feel you're not prepared, remember guys, you are more prepared than you think of. You have done enough hard work. Now is the time to show what you're made of. All the best, give your best.
Our journey started by providing crash course to the NPSC aspirants by providing them more than sufficient amount of mock tests, sectional test series for them, including 3000 plus MCQs so that they can perform well in their exams and the probability of questions to come common will be higher. Apart from that, we also tried to cover most of the NPSC subjects through MCQ way so that students will last minute preparation, they don't have to get panic and go through the topics through MCQs. So this was our entire effort. Recently, for our aspirants of entire Nagaland, we consider every aspirant as our family. So again, wish you all the very luck for tomorrow's exam. See you guys very soon. Thank you.